Alrighty, right now we're going to go over how to add white space to the side of a screenshot so you can annotate to create something like this. So if you've ever wanted to annotate a graphic, and if you've done a screenshot or just opened up the graphic itself, you may have noticed it does not give you white space on the side because the graphic does not have white space. So the critical problem here with whatever program you're using is if you write off to the side, then now I have no space. So again, how do I achieve this? A very quick hack, and this is definitely a hack, is you take your screenshot you just took, like so, and then you just open up another window, literally a text editor or anything else, and then you just screenshot it again. In just a few seconds, I now have an image with white space on the side that I can do whatever I want with over here and over here. Obviously, you could do this in Photoshop, you could do this in Figma, you could do this in any type of app. This is a no app workflow. Let me know if you think this is helpful, and thanks so much.